In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Connecteam for employees. When you open the Connecteam Launchpad, you'll find the main tools employees use every day all in one place. The app is designed to make it easier to manage your shift, stay in touch with your team, and access important company information quickly. Let's start with the time clock. From your dashboard, tap Time Clock, then tap Start Shift. After that, select the correct job and press Start. This is how you officially clock in for work. At the end of the day, you'll return to the same menu to clock out. If your workplace uses break tracking, you can also start and end breaks from here. A good habit is to double check that you've selected the right job before starting, so your time is recorded accurately. Next, open the Schedule tab. This is where you can view your upcoming shifts, including the time, location, and any notes your manager may have added. This section is especially useful if your schedule changes often, or if you need to confirm where you're supposed to be working. In some workplaces, Connecteam also allows you to request a shift replacement or update your availability directly in the app. If those features are enabled, they can save you time and help keep scheduling organized. For communication, use the chat icon. This lets you message coworkers securely inside the app, which is often easier and more professional than using personal messaging tools. If you need to find someone on your team, check the directory. The directory makes it easy to locate work contacts and reach out by call, text, or email, depending on what options your company allows. You can also use Connecteam for forms and documents. In the Assets tab or the Forms menu, you may be able to submit things like digital timesheets, vacation requests, or expense reports. This helps keep paperwork organized and makes it easier to send information to your company without printing or emailing separate files. If you need to upload licenses, certifications, or personal documents, go to your profile and open Personal Documents. Make sure the files you upload are clear, up to date, and easy to read. Finally, check the feed regularly. The feed is where you'll find important company announcements, training courses, and surveys. It's a good idea to review this section often so you don't miss updates that may affect your work, your schedule, or any required training. That's the basic employee view of Connecteam. Once you get used to these sections, the app becomes a simple daily tool for tracking time, checking your schedule, communicating with your team, submitting forms, and staying informed.